In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook or Meta pixel to Shopify. By the end, your store will be set up to send the right data to Meta for ads and analytics so you can optimize campaigns and track conversions more accurately. First, open the Shopify website and click the Login button at the top right. Select your Shopify account and enter your credentials to reach your Shopify dashboard. From the dashboard, look at the left-hand panel and find Apps. Click Add under Apps, then choose Shopify App Store to open the marketplace. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Facebook. Select the official Facebook app, which integrates Facebook and Instagram with your store. Click Install, and when Shopify asks you to confirm, click Install again. This adds the integration to your store so you can connect your Meta tools. Next, click Connect Account. A Facebook login window will appear. Log into your Facebook account that has access to your business assets. Click Confirm Account to proceed, and then click Allow to grant the permissions needed for the connection. These permissions let Shopify share events and catalog information with Meta so your ads and reporting work properly. Now, connect your business portfolio. If you already have one, select it from the list. If you don't, create a new one so Meta can organize your assets, things like ad accounts, catalogs, and your pixel under a single business profile. When you're asked about sharing preferences, choose Maximum. This enables the most robust data sharing through both the pixel and server-side methods, improving tracking resilience and ad performance. Click Save to apply your choices. With the connection in place, it's time to add your Meta pixel. Click Create New Meta Pixel to generate a fresh pixel for this store. Click Confirm when prompted. You'll be shown terms and conditions, review them and agree so the integration can proceed. Then click Submit for review. This lets Meta finalize the setup on their end. When everything is submitted, click Done to complete the process. That's it. You've linked your Facebook or Meta pixel to Shopify, selected the right sharing preferences, and created the pixel needed for accurate conversion tracking. If you're managing multiple stores or teams, make sure the correct business portfolio is selected so assets don't get mixed up. Give the system a little time to sync in the background, and you're all set to move forward with your campaigns.